Here's a picture of another station which we did for the EU project. This is the most interesting station which shows the capabilities of this technology. Actually, this is a platform which can be just placed on a car parking place and which delivers a complete system without grid connection. So this is a big platform. The whole weight is about 1.5 tons. And it has a solar roof, which can be even tilted according to the best position in this street. Just one time, could be flat, tilted this or this direction. And it has 4 socket outlets from the charge lock cable, and it has a battery in the platform. So this means that if a city or a location want to add such infrastructure, permanent or semi-permanent, this can be added in a few minutes, coming on a standard car trailer, or now for the second generation on a specific trailer, which allows super easy placement and also pick up again without, this could be done by one person in a few minutes. And first we had this on a AC base because we couldn't buy the components yet. So we had DC generation of solar, charging the kind of home storage battery, and then we had the AC conversion to the AC-DC converter, which was equal to the other bollards which we used, which I've connected to the grid. Later, we improved the station with a complete DC system. So we have DC generation of solar, DC storage battery, and a DC battery in the vehicle, and only DC-DC converter which adapts the station battery voltage to the vehicle voltage. That's all. And actually, there's the city of Hanover decided to acquire such infrastructure. And we made a consideration that for the city of Hanover, about 30,000 stations would make sense. The interesting thing is that legally, the use of the public space doesn't change because it was a car parking lot before, which is a vehicle, and this becomes a light means of transport, parking spot, which is also vehicles. So unless, like before, the car parking spot is available for everyone who has a suitable vehicle, you don't need to change the legal status of the ground. So it could be placed any place in the city where car parking is allowed, or vehicle parking. It's just a different shape. So two car parking slots are equal to 12 light means of transport parking lots, because it's equal to 3 of these stations. So this multiplication of the public space usage, so it's a huge improvement. So there's no reason to complain. And now I would ask my Indian colleague Advait to join in.
Yes.
And tell something about the first industrial commercial application in India.
Perfect. So I'll stand here.
Yeah.
So I am Advait, currently a co-founder at eZpedal. So this project we started quite a few months back. So earlier, once we started the integration of the charge and lock cable, so we found most convenient place to be the basket, because majorly everyone is right-handed, like most of the people. So once they get out of the vehicle, they can come out in, and with their right hand they could pull out the plug from the basket and place it inside the socket. So this was our idea for designing the basket. And at our station in Pune, we are currently having stations from where we can park from 9 to 14 vehicles at one station, and we are roughly eating up the car parking area over there. And in that space of around 8 meters, we are currently parking around 10 vehicles. So yeah, we are working in collaboration with PCMC, Smart City. So this is how our project is coming out to be. Yes.
Yeah. So these are the first bikes. Actually, this muscle powered bike.
Yeah, this is a muscle powered bike. We call it push bike. So we are also coming up with a variant which is a pedelec. But for the initial trial run, we need to check out the entire app integration, the GPS device, the IoT, the locking function, the charging function. So for that, we are initially going up with push bike. Then slowly, in few months, we'll also introduce pedelecs.
Okay.
Yeah. Perfect.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe. There's a picture how the stands look. So the bollards are very narrow.
Yeah.
Because that's good enough.
Yeah, the space is quite good enough to install the DC converter and then the socket as well. We have two voltage outputs required. One is 12 volt and another is 36 volt. So both of the power supplies can be housed easily.
Yeah. So actually, this is an example that this IC interface can be also used with a limited power supply.
Correct.
Because it's not said that it must guarantee, for example, to deliver 11 kilowatt with 120 volt.
Yes.
It's possible to have it reduced. Key is that there's never a safety risk coming with it.
Exactly.
And that's equal to maybe today's car charging infrastructure. Sometimes the grid allowance there is only 50 kilowatt or even less. Like in a car garage, maybe even 11 kilowatt is enough. Because most vehicles will stay overnight in a garage. And also here, in a sharing system, most bike rides are in a few minutes. So this means that they
spend good amount of time over there.
From 12 hours a day, maybe they have 9 to 10 hours at least time to have a rest and recharge.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah,
that's it.
Thanks.
Yes.
For the stations, what I observe there, I find really cool is that they're totally integrated in the street design, and the bicycle track even goes through the station.
Yes, exactly.
Under the roof of the station, and the roof of the station also has some solar panels.
Yes.
And as a moneymaker, and big LED screen, which is used selling advertisements.
Correct. And we'll try to patch in the image of the station at this point of the video to showcase the entire element. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Maybe we turn around here again to the Soul motorcycle, which is from a small startup near Stuttgart, and which also can charge on this station. Is this a mass production motorcycle, Johannes? What do you know about it?
Yes, the mass production of this vehicle starting this year. So the first customers are now lucky to have the motorcycle of Soul called Pocket Rocket. It looks like a rocket, and you can have it as a vehicle up to 45 kilometer each hour, or as a motorcycle. In both versions you can buy it. My special thing on this motorcycle, there's integrated here a battery of 2.5 kilowatt hours, and the charger can charge with about 10 to 12 amps. And I think the battery is able to have much higher currents. So this technology of this new standard connector is also able to make a fast charging up to 60 amps. So in this case, we can, with the battery our install in the moment, we can have a charging is 2.5 times faster, because we can use a higher current. The next was nice to find out how to store the cable, and this is done here by small here is inside so much cable. I will see show first, and you can store it in some seconds here inside the luggage. and you are prepared to charge on all fast charging possibilities. This fast charging is a very important story for our race in next summer, because then you can have their power supplies internal where are able to charge your vehicle with up to 3.6 kilowatt. This is not possible for this vehicle with this kind of battery, but let's see what's happened in 1 year. If the manufacturer of the battery want to do and show us what's maximum possible, then also this vehicle will charge much faster than today.
Okay,
Yes.
very cool. Nice bike, nice application, and I think we will see soon hundreds of different applications how the charger cables will be stored at the vehicles. And for me as industrial designer, I don't worry that my colleagues will have very good ideas how to do it.
Yeah.
They did in the past find solutions, and
Yeah.
they will find also in the future solutions.
10
Yeah.
years ago, I liked this again and again since then,
Yeah.
how to integrate it. And I think if you can do it while you design the vehicle, it's much easier than after then.
Yeah.
And also on this vehicle, the charge lock cable come after finishing of the vehicle. We'll see what's the next generation is of solar motors.
Okay, all right. Thanks a lot.